In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best car diagnostic tools available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the car diagnostic tools mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Autel MaxiIM KM100, Advanced Key Programmer. The Autel MaxiIM KM100 is a must-have for auto key programming and immobilizer functions. It features multi-language support, a high-resolution touchscreen, and chip simulation for emergency use, ID 46, 47, 48, 49, 4A, 8A. With fast key generation in just 60 seconds, it ensures efficiency for mechanics and locksmiths. Its advanced technology makes it a reliable tool for key programming and vehicle security solutions. Number 4, OTOFIX D1 Lite, Advanced OBD2 Scanner. The OTOFIX D1 Lite is perfect for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, offering bidirectional control for precise diagnostics. With Bluetooth 5.0, it ensures seamless connectivity. It supports 38 reset functions for comprehensive vehicle repairs and active tests for quick problem identification. Whether you're a professional or a car owner, this scanner makes troubleshooting easy and efficient. Number 3, KINGBOLEN S6, All-in-One Car Diagnostic Tool. The KINGBOLEN S6 is an essential tool for mechanics and DIYers, supporting 28 reset functions for vehicle maintenance. It offers 18 language options for global usability and dual-frequency Wi-Fi for fast data transfer. Equipped with a 3.7V/3150 mAh battery, it delivers long-lasting performance. This all-in-one diagnostic tool is a must-have for those who want efficient and professional car diagnostics. Number 2, Launch CRP919E, Advanced OBD2 Scanner Tool. The Launch CRP919E is designed for mechanics and car enthusiasts, featuring ECU coding for personalization and modification. With bidirectional control and dual Wi-Fi, it provides fast and stable diagnostics. It also includes 2 years of free updates, ensuring continuous support. This advanced scanner is ideal for troubleshooting and keeping vehicles in top condition with ease. Number 1, OBDeleven Nextgen Pro/Ultimate Pack, OBD Scanner. The OBDeleven Nextgen Pro/Ultimate Pack is a powerful OBD scanner for car enthusiasts and mechanics. It supports iOS and Android devices, offering unlimited one-click apps for customization. Activate cool visual features, diagnose faults, and clear trouble codes with ease. This compact and innovative tool helps you unlock your vehicle's full potential, making it a must-have for those who love car tuning and maintenance.